Hello, and thank you for joining us today. Today, we are learning how to install Plottr on our Windows computer. I have a Windows 11 computer, but it should work on Windows 10. You'd want to download the installer from your email or from the Downloads Plottr page. I've already done that here. You'll want to double click it once it's downloaded onto your computer. If it asks you do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, select yes. I'm going to choose my C drive, program files, and Plottr. I'm going to click install. Once it installs, you'll be asked if you want to run Plottr, but make sure to click Finish. If you've already bought Plottr, select I've bought Plottr. If not, select Start the free trial. It will ask you if you want to change any basic fonts. It will ask you where you would like your projects to be created and stored. This is called the default folder. This is asking where you would like your backups saved to. And this is the dashboard to Plottr. Thank you for joining me today.